Have you ever walked into your bedroom and something just smells off? Maybe it's not the laundry. Maybe it's not the carpet. Spoiler alert, it's your mattress. Yep, that comfy spot you sleep on every night could be hiding sweat, pet odor, even urine smell. And it's releasing a cloud of funk while you sleep. But here's the good news. You can remove mattress odor in under 5 minutes. No scrubbing, no harsh chemicals, and no need to toss it out. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get rid of odor on a mattress fast, whether it's from sweat, urine, or just that musty, lingering smell. Let's get into it. First up, what you'll need. And you probably already have this at home. Baking soda, white vinegar, optional but helpful, essential oils, lavender, eucalyptus, or tea tree, your choice, vacuum cleaner with upholstery attachment. These ingredients are powerful enough to remove mattress smell caused by sweat stains, pet dander, and even urine odor without damaging your foam or hybrid mattress. And yes, this method works even for foam mattresses. Alright, now strip the bed. Remove your sheets, pillowcases, mattress cover, all of it. Toss them in the wash while we handle the mattress. Now for the magic formula. In a bowl or jar, mix 1 cup of baking soda, 10 drops of your favorite essential oil, example, lavender for calming, tea tree for antibacterial. Mix it up and boom, you've just made your own mattress deodorizer. Now comes the easy part. Sprinkle the baking soda mixture generously over the entire surface of your mattress. Let it sit for at least 5 minutes. But hey, if you can leave it for 30 minutes or even an hour, it'll work even better. Why baking soda? Because it's a natural odor absorber. It breaks down acids and pulls moisture out of the fabric layers. Perfect for removing urine odor from mattress and that nasty sweat smell. The essential oils help kill bacteria and leave a clean, fresh scent without any artificial fragrances. Once time's up, take your vacuum and slowly go over the mattress. Use the upholstery attachment for best results. Don't rush this step. As you vacuum, you're lifting not just the baking soda, but the odor particles, the dust, the skin cells, and yep, urine residue right out of your mattress. What you're left with is a cleaner smelling, fresher mattress that literally took you 5 minutes with no scrubbing at all. If your mattress has stubborn urine stains or the smell just won't go away, here's a bonus tip. Mix a 50-50 solution of white vinegar and water. Lightly spray the stained area. Don't soak it. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Blot dry with a clean towel. Then repeat the baking soda deodorizing step. This combo breaks down urine crystals and is the most effective DIY way to eliminate urine odor from mattress, especially for parents and pet owners. So there you have it, how to deodorize a mattress naturally. In just 5 minutes, no scrubbing, no expensive sprays, and no mystery chemicals. This works on memory foam, hybrid, pillow top, basically any mattress. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor. Hit the like button, subscribe for more home hacks, and share this with a friend who might be sleeping on a funky mattress right now. Drop a comment below if you've ever had to remove sweat stains from your mattress, or if you want a video on how to remove mold odor next. Until then, sleep fresh and stay odor-free. See you in the next video.